विष्णु कृष्ण कृष्ण श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामिनिधि नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारि निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य सिद्धांत श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्ट स्थापित स्वयं रूप कदा ददाति स्वपदा नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ भगवते वासुदेवाय भगवते वासुदेवाय सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। श्री भगवानुवाच सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। Shri Bhagavan, Lord Shri Krishna, after speaking the whole Bhagavad Gita, and after speaking the Karma Yoga, Nishkama Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and he spoke Bhakti Yoga too. The final thing he's saying, Arjuna, Sarvadharman Parityajya, Mamekam Sharanam Vraja. Aham Tvam Sarvapapebhyo Mokshayishyami Ma Sucha. Deha Dharma, Mano Dharma, Parityajya Arjuna. Parityajya, let go. Let go Deha Dharma, let go Mano Dharma. Just take up Atma Dharma, which is Mamekam Sharanam Vraja. Conditioned soul is really conditioned to Deha Dharma and Mano Dharma. And these are the default settings of this conditioned soul, to Deha Dharma and Mano Dharma. All the thoughts that are generated all the time, all the thoughts that are generated all the time are stuck at the level of Deha Dharma or Mano Dharma. Deha Dharma is pertaining to the body. How to keep this body safe, healthy, and starting from that to how to pamper it, how to give the gratification to all these senses. Everything about this body. Everything about this body. This is why the Ekadasis come, the festival days come, so we can know what it is like not to think about this body. So much time will be saved, so much space will be saved in the mind. If we let go Deha Dharma, if we are not caught up in Deha Dharma. And the second thing is Mano Dharma. Mano Dharma, the whole upper chamber, which is supposed to be filled with Krishna. What is it that Krishna wants? Where is Krishna? Everything about Krishna. The upper chamber is supposed to be filled with that. On the altar of the mind should be Bhagavan, Krishna. Instead, so much sits in there. That's all Manodharma. Manodharma is everything starts with I. I feel like this. I'm happy, so I'll continue what I'm doing. I'm sad, so I'll let go. I want this, I don't want this. I like this, I don't. Everything, the I and my world sits there in the mind. Manodharma. Sankalpa Vikalpa is Manodharma. The mind, which wants something now, very soon, sooner or later, it says, I don't want that. Sankalpa Vikalpa, Sankalpa Vikalpa. That's Manodharma. Bhagavan is saying, let go Deha Dharma, let go Manodharma. Come to Atma Dharma. Mamekam Sharanam Vracha. Come to my Sharanam. That's what Bhagavan is saying. The Jiva is fortunate, then it would think, oh, this is so good. Bhagavan is saying this. I wish I can come to the Atma Dharma for Bhagavan. Then Bhagavan is saying, I'll take care of everything. You come to Atma Dharma. So if the Jiva is fortunate, it will think, I wish I can be in Atma Dharma. I wish I can let go Manodharma. I wish I can let go Deha Dharma. When that desire is there, then Bhagavan sends Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. He is sitting in the heart. Bhagavan is sitting in the heart. So he comes out as Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. And he instructs and he engages in the seva. So one can come out of the Deha Dharma and Manodharma. For somebody to be able to do a seva on a regular basis, every day, the seva will pull them out of the Deha Dharma and Manodharma. It's the seva that really pulls us out from the Deha Dharma and Manodharma. The seva is inspired by Krishna Katha. It is inspired by Krishna Katha. Japa is also inspired by Krishna Katha. But the seva really pulls us out of Deha Dharma, because however the body may feel like, whatever the body may say, seva is seva and has to happen. Whatever the mind may say, seva is seva and has to happen. That will pull us out. Then it's no more, not much of the physical platform, not much of the mental platform, but it is Krishna platform.